Importance of Gerdes tubercle. Option A, gallbladder stone identification. Option B, deltoid insertion. Option C, provide pulsation. Option D, provide attachment of the iliotibial tract. Answer is option D, provide attachment of the iliotibial tract. Urinary bladder arises from option A, urogenital tract. Option B, urogenital sinus. Option C, gubernaculum. Option D, mesenteric duct. Answer is option B, urogenital sinus. Which among the class not directly arise from direct ossification of Meckel's cartilage? Option A, mandible. Option B, incus. Option C, malleus. Option D, sphenomandibular ligament. Answer is option A, mandible. Main blood supply of trachea. Option A, inferior thyroid artery. Option B, superior thyroid artery. Option C, bronchial artery. Option D, thyroidema. Answer is option A, inferior thyroid artery. Part of blood-brain barrier. Option A, hepatocytes. Option B, axon of Purkinje cells. Option C, food process of astrocytes. Option D, intercalated disc. Answer is option C, food process of astrocytes. Estrogen secreted from option A, greater vestibular glands. Option B, lesser vestibular glands. Option C, follicular and paraluteal cells. Option C, none of this. Answer is option C, follicular and paraluteal cells. Part of hippocampal cortex. Option A, cornu ammonis. Option B, cerebellum. Option C, fourth ventricle. Option D, thalamus. Answer is option A, cornu ammonis. What is the function of Brunner's gland? Option A, secrete alkaline mucus. Option B, secrete pepsin. Option C, produce hydrochloric acid. Option D, produce intrinsic factor. Answer is option A, secrete alkaline mucus. Which among of these is not a covering of scrotum? Option A, external spermatic fascia. Option B, external oblique aponeurosis. Option C, cremasteric fascia. Option D, internal spermatic fascia. Answer is option B, external oblique aponeurosis. Which is the branch of the anterior division of the femoral nerve? Option A, lateral cutaneous nerve thigh. Option B, ilunguinal nerve. Option C, intermediate cutaneous nerve of thigh. Option D, nerve to pectinus. Answer is option C, intermediate cutaneous nerve of thigh. Superior root of ansa cervicalis are derived from option A, C1. Option B, C6. Option C, L2. Option D, T10. Answer is option A, C1. All the structures opening into the right atrium are guarded by valves except option A, coronary sinus. Option B, inferior vena cava. Option C, right atrioventricular orifice. Option D, superior vena cava. Answer is option D, superior vena cava. The sciatic nerve enters the gluteal region and lies under the cover of option A, gluteus maximus. Option B, gluteus medius. Option C, gluteus minimus. Option D, tensor fasciae latae. Answer is option A, gluteus maximus. Ape thumb deformity due to injury of option A, axillary nerve. Option B, radial nerve. Option C, femoral nerve. Option D, median nerve. Answer is option D, median nerve. Arterial supply of motor area of cerebral cortex is by option A, posterior cerebral artery. Option B, coronary artery. Option C, anterior and middle cerebral artery. Option D, middle and posterior cerebral artery. Answer is option C, anterior and middle cerebral artery. Root value of phrenic nerve. Option A, C5T1. Option B, C4C7. Option C, C5C7. Option D, C3C5. Answer is option D, C3C5. Which epithelium covers the pleura? Option A, mesothelium. Option B, epithelium. Option C, endothelium. Option D, none of these. Answer is option A, mesothelium. The left suprarenal vein drains into option A, inferior vena cava. Option B, left lumbar vein. Option C, left renal vein. Option D, inferior phrenic vein. Answer is option C, left renal vein. Which is the largest bursa in the human body? Option A, subscapular bursa. Option B, subacromial bursa. Option C, infrapatellar bursa. Option D, prepatellar bursa. Answer is option B, subacromial bursa. Which nerve is known as musician nerve? Option A, musculocutaneous nerve. Option B, ulnar nerve. Option C, radial nerve. Option D, femoral nerve. Answer is option B, ulnar